Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 188 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is a short, simple practice to help you let go of stress and tension. Let's begin by closing your eyes or letting your gaze soften. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out through the mouth. Feel your shoulders drop. Let the muscles of your face soften, and feel the ground beneath you holding you up. With each breath, let the stress melt away. You don't need to hold it all right now. You can be here just as you are. You are safe, and you are allowed to rest. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the room. Carry this softness with you as you move forward throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.